Manda, where are we?
We are in the bamboo forest. This is going to be so much fun.
Are you sure? I am scared.
It will be okay, Johnny. It's good to have an adventure.
Okay. Ah!
Is he going to be okay?
Yes, he will be fine. He is a little bit jumpy. By the way, what's your name?
I am Mr. Panda, and this is my home.
Oh, my name is Manda. Manda? Panda? Our names rhyme. What's that in your hand?
This is my food. We normally eat bamboo shoots and leaves. It's 99% of our diet. Do you want some?
I don't think my teeth are strong enough. By the way, are you a bear?
Yes, I am like a bear. But pandas are the most endangered bears in the world. There are only about 1,500 pandas in the wild.
I should find Johnny. He might be lost in the forest.
I will help you, since I was the one that scared him.
Thank you. Let's go.